In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix internet very slow working on your iPhone after iOS 15 update and how you can fix this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just have to follow these instructions, and the first one, you just have to tap here on the settings. Now from here you just have to go back over here, and from here you just have to tap on general, and you have to make sure the background app refresh is turned off. So you just have to go back here, tap on background app refresh, and as you can see this is turned on, so you just have to turn this off. So you have to make it over here and you have to turn this off, and this is what you have to do. After trying out, if it's not working, then we have solution number 2. Solution number 2 is you just have to go to settings, then you just have to tap on accessibility over here. Now from here you just have an option called motion. You have to select this, you have to select motion. Now from here you have to enable reduce motion. You have to enable reduce motion. This will be disabled by default in some cases, so you just have to enable this. Moving on to the next solution is all about, you have to go over here in the settings itself, and from here you just have to tap on privacy, and from here you just have to go over here in the location services. Most probably this will be turned on, so you just have to check whether it's turned on. So if it's turned on, you just have to turn this off, and once it is done you just have to go back. Now from here in the settings, the next one is all about, you have to tap on general, and from here you just have to scroll down, and as we mentioned above, you have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now go for reset over here, and you just have to go for reset all settings. Okay, now after this what you have to do is just have to go back once again. Now from here what you have to do is you have to check whether you are on the latest version of iOS. So you just have to tap over here, go for software update, and you have to check whether you are on the iOS 15 or not, and even if it's on 15, check for it. And the last one which I would like to make you notice is you have to do a force restart, and the force restart in the means what you have to do, just have to press power button followed by volume down, you have to press volume up button followed by volume down button, press and hold power button, then that will unlisten until you see the Apple logo. So if you're having any confusions on how to get into the how to do this up, so I'll be providing a link in the description, because we have already done a video on this, so you can watch that too. So this is about how you can fix if you're having slow internet issue on your iPhone after iOS 15 update. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.